Hi, everyone. My special guest today is another former student of mine, Robben Zhang. Robben took both my Intermediate 1 and Intermediate Accounting 2 class at UCLA in fall of 2019. What I remember most about Robben was that he was always actively engaged in class discussions, and what I loved about him was he was always willing to help other students. Thus, after he finished taking my classes, I asked him to be my teaching assistant. Fast forward to today, he is now working as a tax associate at Ernst and Young, one of the top accounting firms in the world, in their Los Angeles office. Robben, thanks for coming to chat with me today.
Yeah, of course. It's my pleasure to be here and nice to connect with you again, Professor.
All right, wonderful. I have some questions for you. As with most of my guests, I always like to start off by asking about your work. Could you briefly talk about E&Y and why you feel it's a great place to work at?
Yeah, as many of you already know, EY is one of the big four accounting firms in the world. EY not only offers job positions in public accounting, such as tax and audit, but also in other service lines, such as transaction advisory and consulting. EY is such a great place to work because you have a lot of opportunities within the firm. For example, I work in tax. I get exposed to a lot of clients in different industries. Also, during the first couple of years, you don't specialize in any sub-service lines. To elaborate on that, you really have the choice to work in any of the tax services that you would like. For example, you can have one engagement that focuses on tax compliance and another engagement that focuses on private client services. Surprisingly, you also have the opportunity to work abroad if that's what you would like. Personally, I do think by offering a lot of opportunities makes EY stand out.
Now, having said that you work in tax, what is a typical day like for you working for Ernst and Young's Los Angeles office as a tax associate? What type of work do you do on a day-to-day basis?
It really depends on the time of the year. During the busy season, which is around this time, as first year tax associate, we are mostly responsible for setting up the tax work papers, sorting out client provided documents, researching tax rate and regulations, and preparing the tax returns for seniors and managers review. After the Christmas break, we mainly focus on tax provision auditing. Because of COVID, I started my job working remotely. I have not had a chance to go into the office yet due to the fact that all my teammates live in Ventura and Thousand Oaks. So we mostly talk on Teams and have meetings online. I believe communication is a key in a remote working environment. So we update the engagement status with each other on a daily basis and make sure that we are still on track.